Good evening.
Good evening.
All of you are ready
Yes, sir.
to be here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, today you will have to express whatever you have desired. Nothing else. First, I would like to call Atul. Atul, please come on the stage. Atul will let you know about parts of speech. How many parts of speech there are in English language?
There are 8 parts of speech. Now is a word which is used as the name of the person, place of a thing. For example, Rajesh, a software, a laptop, etc. Pronoun is a word which is used as in place of noun. For example, he is a good one, he is a good girl, etc. An adjective is a word which is used to qualify or disqualify the noun. For example, is what beautiful, etc. Verb is a word which is used to express action and amounts. For example, run, come, go, was, etc. And verb is a word which is used to qualify or disqualify of a verb. For example, come, go, etc. Proposition is a word which is used to set the relation between noun and pronoun. For example, in, to, about, etc.
Etc.
Conjunction is a word which is used to join two sentence words, message, for example, but, so, also, etc. Introduction is a word which is used to express some student feelings. For example, oh, ouch, wonderful, oh my god.
Whenever you come on the stage, keep it in your mind that you don't need to be in a hurry. In a cool and calm manner, you need to deliver your speech. Okay? And you don't need to be restless. बेचैन होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Next, Akash. Akash will also speak out about parts of speech.
There are 8 parts of speech. Noun is a word which is used as the name of a person, place or things. For example, Rajesh, Ashok, Bihar, laptop, etc. Pronoun is a word which is used to place of noun. For example, he, she, and it, etc. Adjective. An adjective is a word which is used to qualify or disqualify as a noun or pronoun, etc. For example, smart, beautiful, etc. Verb is a word which is used to express action and emotion. For example, run, go, etc. Adverb is a word which is used to qualify or disqualify of a verb. Example, fast, slow, etc. Adjective. An adjective is a word which is preposition. Preposition is a word which is used to set the relation between noun or pronoun. For example, in, into, above, below, etc. Conjunction is a word which is used to set the join to sentence word clauses. For example, what and so, etc. Interjection. An interjection is a word which is used to express sudden feelings. For example, oh, ouch, wonderful, etc.
Thank you. Now is the turn of Pooja. Pooja, please come on the stage and let them know about parts of speech.
There are 8 part of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Noun is a word which is used to as the name of the person, place or things. For example, laptop, Rajesh, Ashok Vihar, etc. Pronoun is a word which is used to in place of noun. For example, he, she, it, etc. Adjective is a word which is used to qualify or disqualify as a noun or pronoun. For example, beautiful, smart, ugly, etc. Verb is a word which is used to express action and emotion. For example, come, go, walk, etc. Adverb is the word which is used to qualify or disqualify a noun. For example, fast, slow, etc. Preposition is a word which is used to set the relation between noun or pronoun. For example, in, into, avoid, etc. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two sentence, words and clauses. For example, so and but, etc. Introduction is a word which is used to express some certain and feelings. For example, oh, ouch, wonderful, oh my god, etc.
Give us a big hand. Now is the turn of Suraj. Suraj will recite an English song.
I am going to present a song in front of you. How does she know? People looking. Can we walk? Let's just walk. Okay. Where does she are? How does she know that you loan her? Oh, Tina, the song do. How to show you her? How to show you love her?
तालियां जोरदार होनी चाहिए. Sumit, please come on the stage. Sumit will let you know about the formation of senses.
There are three types of tense: present tense, past tense, future tense. We can divide each of them into four parts. Present indefinite, present perfect, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous.
Everything है. Parveen will speak out on parts of speech.
There are 8 speech part of speech. Noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. Noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. Rajesh, Ashok, Vihar, laptop, etc. Verb is the name of a person. Pronoun is the word which is used as the place or noun, etc. Him, there.
Okay, we continue. Now बताओ. Now give us. Now बताओ. जल्दी. Recording is going on. Now give us. We continue.
Him, etc. Verb is the word which is used as the place or thing, etc. And adjective is the word which is used as the qualifying and disqualifying, etc. Preposition is the word which is used to set and relation between noun and pronoun, etc. into belong, etc. Conjunction is a word which is used as the join to words and sentences. For example, and words or not only other etc. Interjection is a word which is used as the suddenly feelings or out wonderful actions.
Put your hands together. Now is the turn of Sumit. Sumit, please come on the stage. Sumit will speak out some slogans.
Now I am going to narrate some slogans. Winner is not the person who wins the prize, but the person who opens himself for the understand. Our goal might be out of our sight, our goal might be out of our reach, our goal might be out of our reach, but it must not be out of our mind, then we can achieve it. If your intention is right, everything is right. If your intention is wrong, everything is wrong. Good teachers don't teach by books, they teach by heart. If you want to be an extraordinary, let's be ordinary. Any decision of the Supreme Creator of the world be accepted and respected. Thank you.
Now I want to call Amit, Deepu and Ansuma just for conversation.
Now we are going to narrate a conversation. Hi Rina. Hi Mona, how are you? I'm fine, and you? Fine. Hello Mona. It's a long time no see. Yes, I was out of station. How's everything? Fine, I meet my friend Rina. Hello. Hi Sumit. Are you new here? Yes, I was joined last week. Okay. Excuse me. What course are you doing, Rina? I do passport. I do pass. What are your subjects? English, Hindi, Physics, Economics. And you? I am become final. Well, how do you like Delhi, Rina? It's so happy. Okay, I have been to Chandigarh, nice city, but a little dull, I think. I have no time, now I am good because my period going to start it. Okay, bye. Second time we meet. Hi Rina. Hi Sumit, how are you? I'm fine, and you? Fine. But where are you going? It's my free period, I don't decide what should I do. Okay, I'm going to canteen here to join me. Okay. What would you like to go for something else? Good. Here you are. Thank you. Where will you live? I live at Jaipur. And you? In Model Town. I have no time. Bye. Okay, bye.
Now the conversation is going to be held between Amit and Deepu.
Good evening, friends. Good evening. We are going to narrate a conversation between salesman and the boss. I am the salesman and he is the boss. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Amit. How are you today? Quite good, sir. I have visited all the companies and offices scheduled for today. Meet Mr. Rahman in Sun Enterprises. Yes, sir. I gave him your reference. How are his response? Very positive. He asked me to leave the samples and posters and to contact him next week. He has assured me that he will place another by the end of this month.
Make it a point to visit Mr. Raman next week.
Definitely, sir, we have got an order of 5 lakhs, but they want the delivery within 7 days.
That can be, and what about Indian Express?
There was very little in the form, sir.
Why?
They complained the last time the delivery was on time. They also seem to be dissatisfied with the quality of our paper.
Didn't you try to convince them?
Yes, sir, I promised them the delivery was on time in future. I also told them that we are offering better quality paper now. I spoke to the purchase manager.
Then,
He said that he would think about it.
alright, tomorrow we go to New Station. Also them a written apology that they won't have any complaint.
Yes, sir, I will do that.
Which other complaints did you visit today?
I went to Rowan Enterprises and Naval Industries. I have got an appointment with the purchase manager of Naval Industries. These are the details of all the places I have secured.
When and which areas will you cover tomorrow?
Noida and easily, sir.
Make it a point to Mr. Rahman tomorrow. Tomorrow take from me the plans for Mr. Rajesh.
In what capacity do you know him, sir?
We have all business relations. Besides, he is a brother friend. He will definitely give us business.
Okay, sir. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you.
Now the conversation between Anshuman and Deepu.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
Today we are going to the later conversation between shopkeeper and customer. I want to make a plus shop. How much?
10 rupees. What else?
Why 10 rupees? Plus is 4 rupees again. Look at the print here.
Alright. 8 rupees. What else do you want?
Dhara was second sugar with it.
Dara can but sugar out of stock. You will get it tomorrow.
Okay. Can you give me shampoo?
Yes. Which one do you want? I should give this available.
Okay. Can you give me this discount this herbal shampoo?
Yes, 65 rupees. 5 rupees discount. You will cost 6 rupees.
Which floor do you want?
We have all sugar plant, cookware, glass box. Which one do you want?
Last time I used sugar plant. I don't like it.
This time cookware like a real homemade flour.
Okay, give 10 kilos. Do you want to delivery?
Yes, 5 kilometers. What is your address?
Kama Colony. I live close by Kama Colony.
No problem, you make the delivery boy your home.
Okay, thank you.
And the service there?
Okay, thank you.
Now Dipti and Shivani, please come on the stage for conversation. Speak now.
It's time for tea. Will you put kettle on? Yes, ma'am. Why is everything in a mess? What a mess. Mother packs her plate. Who will clean up? I'm doing it presently. Mind you, handle and crockery with care. Do these flowers. Yes, ma'am. One thing more, where are the schools? Give them a good sign. All right, ma'am. And and forget to do the room and make a bed. I will be back. Okay, ma'am. Next. Excuse me, can I sit down? Yes, please. Thank you. I am Shivani. What do you do, Shivani? I read in 9th class and I read in class 12. Where do you from? I am from in Itawa, but I am settled in Faridabad. I am from Faridabad itself. Okay, my Faridabad. Bye.
Give them a big hand. Amit, please come on the stage and let them know about parts of speech.
There are a part of speech. Now is a word which is used to name of the person, place or a thing. For example, Ram Sham Mohan, Delhi Agra. Pronoun is a word which used in place of nouns. For example, he said adverb. Adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of noun or pronoun. For example, smart, ugly, handsome. Verb is a word which express feelings, emotion. For example, go, come, walk up, etc. Adverb is a word which is qualify and disqualify of a verb. For example, smart, quick, fast. Preposition is a word which set off the relation of the noun or pronoun or a thing. For example, between these two, because, etc. Conjunction is a word. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two sentences, clauses, phrases. For example, and, also, but, etc. Interjection is a word which is used to some sudden experience. For example, oh, ouch, oh my god. Thank you.
Simran will narrate the news. The news regarding a rickshaw puller who killed an old man. This is the news that was released yesterday's newspaper in the Hindu. Simran, you will have to narrate this news like a news reader. Please come on the stage.
A rickshaw puller arrested on a murder charge of retired school teacher in Kirti Nagar past year. Mr. Vilayat Chand Sethia was a resident of Ramesh Nagar. A nylon rope was around his neck, and the other end of the rope was tied with a reading table, and the room was ransacked. A gold chain, a ring, and some cash was found missing. The murder was discovered by Rajesh when he come to offer tea for elderly man in the morning. The police questioned several bad characters such as rickshaw pullers, maids, plumbers and electricians who frequented the victim's house, but there was no clue. Assistant Sub Inspector of Rohtas Kumar frequently received an information that Mahadev Jha, who was a native of Bihar, was involved in the case of murder. It was further revealed that Mahadev Jha was used to fly a rickshaw, and trailing the lead, the police arrested Mahadev Jha at his native village in Mangal district. Thank you.
Now, Swati, please come on the stage for the same news.
Rickshaw puller has been arrested by West Delhi police in connection with the murder case of a retired school teacher in PT Nagar here this past year. Mr. Vilayat Chand, 75 years old, a resident of Ramesh Nagar, was found dead in his house. A nylon rope around his neck and the other end of the rope tied with the table, and the room was ransacked, and the gold chain, gold ring and some cash was found missing. Mr. Sethia stayed on first floor in his house, and his eldest daughter Suman stayed on second floor along with his husband Rajesh Sodhi. The murder was discovered by Mr. Sodhi when he came to offer a tea for the elder man in the morning. The police questioned several bad characters, the rickshaw puller, maids, plumbers and the electricians who frequented the victim's house. But there was no view. Assistant of Sub-Inspector Rohtas Kumar recently received some information that Mahadev Jha, who was a native of Bihar, involved in this murder case. It was further revealed Mr. Mahadev Jha used to fly a rickshaw in Ramesh Nagar. Trailing the lead, the police arrested Mr. Jha from his native village in Munger district. Thank you.
You have a big hand. सबसे न्यारी